Hamlet by William Shakespeare, written between 1600 to 1601. It is a tragedy. Setting is Alisnor Castle, Denmark. Medieval Denmark, based on the legend of Hamlet, a Danish prince from Saxo Grammaticus Gesta Danorum. It is a tragic exploration of vengeance, morality, madness, and the complexity of human nature. Main characters are Hamlet, Prince of Denmark, intelligent, sensitive, and thoughtful. His indecision leads to tragedy. Claudius, King of Denmark, Hamlet's uncle, murderer of the old king and usurper of the throne. Gertrude, Queen of Denmark, Hamlet's mother, marries Claudius soon after the old king's death. Ghost, the spirit of Hamlet's father, reveals that he was murdered by Claudius. Ophelia, daughter of Polonius, Hamlet's love interest, her madness and death are tragic. Polonius, Lord Chamberlain, father of Ophelia and Laertes. Laertes, son of Polonius, returns to avenge his father's death. Horatio, Hamlet's loyal friend, a sensible and trustworthy man, and Fortinbras, Prince of Norway, represents a new order and justice. So, the act wise summary in very short. In first act, the ghost of the old king appears to Hamlet and reveals that Claudius, Hamlet's uncle, murdered him. Hamlet promises revenge but decides to act wisely. Hamlet pretends to be mad to hide his true feelings. He uses a play, the mousetrap, to test Claudius' guilt. The plan works. Claudius is disturbed and leaves. In Act 3, Hamlet reflects on life and death in his famous quotes, "To be or not to be soliloquy." He delays killing Claudius, thinking it is better to punish him in prayer. Polonius spies on Hamlet and gets killed by mistake. Ophelia goes mad due to her father's death and Hamlet's rejection. Laertes returns angry for his father's death. A duel is arranged between Hamlet and Laertes. The plan is to kill Hamlet. Gertrude drinks the poisoned wine meant for Hamlet. Both Hamlet and Laertes are poisoned. Hamlet kills Claudius and dies. Fortinbras takes over Denmark. Important quotes are "to be or not to be, that is the question." Act 3, Scene 1. The soliloquy where Hamlet contemplates life, death, and the suffering of existence. The plays, the thing wherein I will catch the conscience of the king. Act 2, Scene 2. Hamlet's plan to use a play to expose Claudius' guilt. Something is rotten in the state of Denmark, shows that all is not well in Denmark. Frailty, thy name is woman. Act 1, Scene 2. Hamlet bitter remark about his mother's quick marriage. Though this be madness, yet there is method in it. Act 2, Scene 2. Hamlet justifies his feigned madness. I loved Ophelia, 40,000 brothers could not. With all their quantity of love, make up my sum. Act 5, Scene 2. Hamlet expresses his true love for Ophelia. The rest is silence. Act 5, Scene 2. Hamlet's final words before his death. Major themes is revenge. The desire for revenge drives the plot but leads to destruction. Betrayal. Claudius betrays the king. Hamlet feels betrayed by his mother. Madness versus sanity. Hamlet's feigned madness. And Ophelia's real madness highlight mental turmoil. Mortality. The uncertainty of life and death is a key concern. Appearance versus reality. Things are not what they seem in Asinore. Delay and indecision. Hamlet's hesitation becomes the cause of disaster. Corruption. Moral corruption in the royal family leads to chaos. Fate versus free will. The play questions whether events are controlled by fate or choices. According to Aristotle, tragedies, a tragic hero is noble but has a tragic flaw, hamartia, that leads to his downfall. Hamlet fits perfectly noble prince, intelligent and sensitive, tragic flaw, indecision and overthinking, wants justice and moral order. His downfall brings pity and fear. So